In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of designing conversational flows for Claude Chatbots, equipping you with the skills to create interactive and user-friendly dialogues that enhance user engagement. Did you know that a well-designed conversational flow can increase user satisfaction by over 60%? In today's video, we're diving into how to create effective conversational flows for Claude Chatbots. Whether you're new to chatbot development or looking to refine your skills, you'll discover strategies to enhance your bot's interaction capabilities and keep users coming back. The first step in designing a conversational flow is understanding user intents. Think of user intents as the goals users have in mind when they interact with your chatbot. By identifying these intents, you can tailor responses that not only answer questions but also anticipate needs. Start by analyzing historical data to see what users frequently ask. Use this data to train your chatbot to recognize patterns and predict future queries. Claude's machine learning capabilities make it easier to align your bot's responses with user needs. Remember, the more your chatbot learns from interactions, the smarter it becomes.
Once you understand user intents, the next step is mapping out conversation paths. Think of conversation mapping as creating a blueprint for your chatbot. Begin by defining clear pathways for different types of interactions. Use flowcharts to visualize these paths, ensuring each step logically follows the previous one. Incorporate feedback loops where users can provide input to improve the flow. Consider various scenarios your users might encounter and create alternative paths for each. This structured approach ensures your chatbot can handle diverse queries efficiently.
Handling user interruptions is a critical aspect of conversational design. Users will inevitably interrupt or change the topic mid-conversation. Your chatbot needs to handle these interruptions seamlessly. Design strategies to recognize when a user wants to switch topics or needs additional information. Claude's context switching features allow you to maintain continuity, ensuring the conversation remains coherent. Educate users on what your chatbot can do, helping them understand its capabilities and making interruptions less frequent. This not only improves user satisfaction but also enhances the overall flow.
Even the most well-designed chatbot will encounter inputs it doesn't recognize. That's where fallback responses come in. These are pre-designed responses your chatbot uses when it doesn't understand a user's input. A good fallback response should be helpful and guide the user back on track. Claude offers robust error handling features that can be integrated into these responses. Continuously test and improve your fallback strategies based on user interactions. This ensures that even when your chatbot doesn't understand, the conversation remains positive and productive.
Claude chatbots come packed with features that can significantly enhance your conversational flows. Leverage Claude's natural language processing (NLP) capabilities to understand and respond to user inputs more effectively. Use machine learning to continuously improve responses based on user interactions. Integrate Claude's API to unlock advanced functions like sentiment analysis and personalization. The more personalized the interaction, the more engaged the user becomes. Keep abreast of Claude's latest features to ensure your chatbot remains cutting edge and effective. Before deploying your chatbot, it's crucial to test its conversation flows thoroughly. Testing ensures all pathways function as intended and identifies any bottlenecks that could hinder user experience. Use real user data to simulate interactions and identify areas needing improvement. Claude allows you to iteratively test and refine your flows, ensuring they remain effective. Regularly update your tests to include new scenarios and user intents. This proactive approach keeps your chatbot responsive and efficient, enhancing user satisfaction.
Iteration based on feedback is vital for the long-term success of your chatbot. Collect feedback from a diverse user base to gain varied perspectives on your chatbot's performance. Analyze this feedback to extract actionable insights that can drive improvements. Implement changes based on user input and refine user intents accordingly. Claude supports a feedback loop system, allowing for continuous improvement of your conversational flows. This iterative process ensures your chatbot evolves with user expectations, maintaining its relevance and effectiveness. Multi-turn dialogues are essential for handling complex queries that require more than one interaction. Design these dialogues to ensure smooth transitions between turns, maintaining a coherent conversation. Claude offers advanced dialogue management features that support multi-turn interactions, balancing automation with a human-like touch. It's crucial to test these scenarios extensively to ensure effectiveness. By incorporating multi-turn dialogues, you make your chatbot more engaging and capable of handling a wider range of queries, enhancing user satisfaction. Thank you for joining us on this journey through designing conversational flows for Claude Chatbots. We've covered essential strategies from understanding user intents to implementing multi-turn dialogues. Remember, effective design is a continuous learning process. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into chatbot design and development. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, happy designing!